Attraction isn't something you force. It's something people feel around you quietly, instantly, without you saying much. Most guys chase lines and perfect replies while ignoring the small habits that actually change how a woman experiences you. So instead of what to say, let's talk about what makes her feel something. It starts with your presence, the way you enter a room, the way you sit, the way you exist, without trying too hard. When you're not seeking approval, people feel it. That calm, grounded energy naturally pulls attention. Then there's your smell. Simple, but powerful. Scent is tied to memory and emotion. When you smell good in the same way consistently, you become familiar. And familiarity builds comfort. One day she smells it again somewhere, and she remembers you. Now, your appearance. Not fashion, not expensive brands. Just clean, well-fitted, intentional. It signals self-respect, not arrogance. Just a man who has his life together, and that alone builds attraction. The way you speak matters more than what you say. Most guys rush, fast, nervous, trying to impress. But when you slow down slightly, your words land heavier. You sound calm, in control, and that creates a sense of ease. Your smile, keep it real, not forced, not rehearsed. When something genuinely makes you smile, let it happen. That natural ease makes people want to be around you. Then comes listening, not waiting to talk, not planning your next line, just actually listening. When a woman feels understood, she connects, and connection is where attraction begins. Eye contact is another silent shift. Not intense, just present. When you truly look at her while she talks, she feels important, and people remember that. Your pace in life also shows. The way you walk, react, respond. Rushed energy feels chaotic. Controlled, patient energy feels stable. And stability is attractive. Another big one, don't over-explain yourself. When you constantly justify things, it signals doubt. When you say what you mean and stop, it shows quiet confidence. And finally, consistency. Not hot and cold, not unpredictable. When your energy stays steady, it builds trust. And trust is what turns attraction into something deeper. Okay, so now, click on this video as this shows 5 weird things women love in boys. And yes, this video will also help you. Do like and subscribe. I'll see you on this video. Bye.